Fast? Okay.
Yeah. All right.
All right, we're
I
back.
think we're here. How you doing?
I'm doing great, bro. I'm doing great. It was a good day. It was a really restful day, really chill Friday. Chill Friday,
Hmm.
pretty good. Excited to be back with another live stream. We were supposed to start a little bit early, but I fell asleep. So that's my fault.
No, don't worry about it. I
But
was asleep as well.
bet. Yeah, so that make me feel a little bit better. But still, like I was like, damn, bro, I fell asleep. And but I think we deserve that sleep. It's been a long weekend, a long week, a
It's been a long week
week,
for sure.
long week. But yeah, bro, I'm excited to be here and do some LeetCode, see how that goes.
Hmm.
I'm excited because I want to start playing more games. Maybe
Yeah.
one. Yeah, I'm sorry.
Well,
I'm looking at one. I'm looking at one. Here
what's
and
the
there.
holdup? What's the holdup?
First of all, money, because some of them you gotta pay. And I'm trying to look for a good game, like a game where I know I'm gonna have fun, I'm gonna enjoy it. A game that's like grindy, like you have to grind, do missions here and there. You know, not like a fast-paced first-person shooter with Fortnite type deal. No, no, no. Think more like a grindy, more RPG type deal. I know you suggested Path of Exile too. I was looking at it. Pretty good.
Yeah.
It's looking pretty good.
I think
But yeah,
the reason why I like Path of Exile too. Wait, hold on. Let me take this off. Is because like it also looks nice. Like it looks like
it
a
does look nice, bro.
nice
It does look great.
little game you could play, whatever, grind it out, stuff
Yeah,
like that.
yeah. Nah,
But
I'm excited, bro. I'm trying to. Now, I will see. We'll see. I'm still debating where to or how, which game. But if you get it, I'll probably get it. We can like
what do
co-op or
you?
something like
Which
that.
one? Which one?
Path of Exile.
Don't tempt me, cause I'll buy that right now on stream.
Oh, fast, bro.
You're like,
Damn.
let me think about it then. Let me
Let me
think
think
about it.
about it then. Let me think about it. Cause
Yeah,
it is $30 right there. But I mean,
you save up for it.
yeah, I'm gonna save up for that because I'm excited for that. I'm really trying to looking for a game
Mm-hmm.
that I could play like an hour. Have fun here and there.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah. All right, how about you, my guy? How's everything going? How's your day been? How's your week going? How do you feel?
The week's going good, great. You
Okay.
know,
Yeah.
day's going good. Friday, looking forward to the weekend.
Yeah. Yeah.
Um,
Yeah.
long week, right? Of
Yeah.
course, we have work, right? We got our
Yep.
meetings. We got a lot of meetings. Sometimes meetings last a while, sometimes they don't. And then you get back to the task you're doing and stuff, right? So,
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
um, yeah, so looking forward to a nice little break, but also a time to rest and continue to learn because I plan on doing some learning over the weekend. So,
Okay. 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 That's great,
yeah.
bro. That's great.
Hmm.
Hey,
So,
I'm glad to hear that.
other than that, just playing some basketball whenever I can. I haven't really biked this week. I don't think I have. This week kind of went by fast. I don't really remember. Maybe I did bike. I just don't remember. But I know me and you
Uh,
plan on going tomorrow if that's still the plan.
yeah. I know I said 6 a.m., but I'm joking. I think I'm just gonna sleep in.
Oh,
But
no,
maybe
we're
look at
doing 6
me.
a.m.
Oh, you can go by yourself, my guy.
Okay, fine. We could do 7.
Oh no, bro, no.
I'm
7 p.m.,
joking.
6 p.m., 6
I'm
p.m.
joking. We could find a
Nah,
good
okay.
time. We could find a good time.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Cause okay, okay. Never mind. We can. Okay, okay. Yeah, we can do definitely find the time. If not Sunday, we can do Sunday in the afternoon or something like that. But
We'll see what
yeah,
happens
okay.
Sunday. We'll see what happens Sunday.
Yeah, okay. I like that trail a lot. It's pretty peaceful. A lot of people. A lot of sightseeing. and
Yeah.
stuff. So it's pretty
Also,
cool. Pretty,
for the people, if there's people watching, I just want to preface after the stream, I'm getting Wingstop. So if you feel like I'm rushing through stuff or like trying to, I'm getting a little antsy, it's because my stomach is rumbling right
ooh,
now as we
fast.
speak. And I also craving Wingstop. So yeah.
Okay, okay. Hey, all good, brother. All good, brother. But hey, don't fall on the addiction again. You know,
Ah, dude, I think I'm
I'm gonna start
fine. I think I'm
I'm gonna
fine.
start investing in. If you do, let me know so I can start investing on Wingstop. You know what I'm saying?
I think I'm fine. Remember the Costco chicken bake era?
Oh,
That was
bro,
a
that thing
crazy
was
era.
crazy, bro. I remember. I
Oh.
know I won't say anything, but I mean, it was a good era. It was a good era for Costco. That's they made pretty good money there. Yeah,
They
but all
should
right,
sell
brother.
those things. Do they sell them like so you can like put them in the
Like on
freezer or
freezer?
something, and then you can like heat them up like in the oven or something?
Maybe,
Because
maybe.
that's how they do it, right? They definitely just heat it up in the oven. Like I want to do that.
Yeah, like a frozen food or
I'm
something.
searching it up. You know what? I'm
Okay,
searching
okay,
it up right
okay.
here.
Yeah. And the chicken bakes are too big to like. I mean, I don't mind. Like they're too big, but they should make a little bit smaller size, like a snack. You know?
Hmm.
Okay, okay. Chicken baked, frozen, Costco.
That's not the same though. That's not the same. But I'm definitely I'll try those. If anyways, doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. I need to focus up. All right, Jose.
All right, brother. I have nothing planned today, so we'll see how it goes. We can go with the
Uh,
flow, see what that goes,
didn't we
and
have one last time that was like kind of interesting, or did we solve that one?
fast.
I thought we did.
Oh, yeah. I forgot which one.
Does it maybe?
Ooh. It was one about. I remember. I remember. I remember. Ah, I think I know. We said like, oh, this one we. I think we stopped midway. Not sure. I forgot. Damn. Um. No, because it wasn't the one where it was auto events. It was the something about a string. We were manipulating a string. Like the occurrences or something. But if not, we can find another one. I don't mind.
Okay.
Yeah. Also, whenever you have, oh, you were sharing your screen. Sorry, sorry,
Hmm.
sorry. That's my
It's all
bad.
good. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Let's try to do.
Woo.
Let's do. What is this?
Reverse the string. Oh.
Why? How come we never done this one? You must do this by modifying the input array in place in O of one extra with O of one extra memory. Thoughts,
Hmm.
comments, concerns?
I think this one we can have a 2-pointer. Go.
And swap the
Uh huh.
pointers at the same time.
Uh
Let's see. P1.
huh. Yeah, and we can do a while loop and say. Yeah. Yeah, I think equal would be the good one. And then from here, we need a temp. Yeah.
Is
And
that
then
is adding a temp extra memory or no? No, right?
I don't think
No, because
so.
we're not creating another data structure. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So. Oh, okay. Okay. Hold on. Then you say eh.
You don't return anything. Yeah, but I think that's right. That's right. I think the swap it's pretty good.
So what? Oh, don't return anything. Okay.
Yeah,
You sure?
run it and see how it goes.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Oh, we're not incrementing.
Or fast.
Sorry.
Hmm.
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 Hmm. Oh, because you're saving the index, not the letter itself.
Beautiful analysis.
I appreciate that. Another word, line 13. Yeah, 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 yeah. That seems about
Wait.
right.
Wait. This is still. This is using the number to get the string.
Yeah, but since you swapped it already, right? You swapped the variables. Now you have two. You're getting the O instead of the H because you swapped it already.
You're a genius.
Nah, man, we're both geniuses, brother.
Shall I submit it?
Yeah, why not?
Okay.
Let's
Nice.
go, baby. Let's go, baby. Too
All
easy.
right. First
Too
question
easy.
down. First question
Too
down.
easy. Too easy. Do you remember we did 12 hours? We did like we had to subtract the hours every time we got like a problem or something. That was fun. That actually was fun. I think that was our 1 year special or something like that.
Yes. Yes, it was our 1 year special, and yes, it was fun. Good analysis, Jose.
Thank you, bud. Thank you. Thank you.
All right, we got this one done. Nice. Now what? Go back.
Let's go back. Oh, fast.
All right.
Where the LeetCode interns. That could be a task. Put that entire thing into like a dark mode or something.
Where?
Like the
Oh
other page,
yeah,
the home pages.
yeah. I know what you're talking about. Yeah. Customers who never order.
I think this is an SQL. Yeah.
We've never done a post order traversal.
What?
All right, let's try it. Um,
So it's the head first, then the right, then the left.
okay.
Wait, no. No. It's left child, right child, middle. So I think we have to go all the way to the left.
It'll be right here.
Let me see.
Do we return it in
Yeah,
an array
yeah.
or something?
Yeah, I believe so.
Uh,
I think so.
can you
Yeah,
do that or self something like that?
I think so.
Yep.
Mhm.
This doesn't. I feel like I'm missing something here, but let's try it.
Oh, root that value.
Wait, what do you mean? You can't just
Uh,
append the okay,
well, I'm not sure if they want the
the node or the value?
yeah. Oh, never mind.
Hmm.
I take it back. Mm, mm, mm.
Oh, I'm so dumb. We're not calling the
Oh, damn.
oopsies.
I get. It
Nice.
happens. Nice, nice, nice.
Should we submit it?
Yeah, why not? I think I'm positive it's working.
Nice.
Yes, sir.
All right,
Yes, sir.
stream's done. We did 2 problems already.
Let's do one hard one. What not hard,
Well,
but like
we're
more.
getting there.
Yeah,
We're warming up. We're warming up. All right,
okay,
we're
okay,
warming
okay.
up. Let's see. Let's see. Mm,
Uh, let's do low acceptance rate. Let's do 193. Yeah or no?
you see what that says, Jose?
Oh, it's a bash script. Oh, okay. Hey, okay, okay. Damn, bro. Man was about to throw hands.
Let's
He's
try
like,
that.
"Did you see
Oh,
that?"
I know, dude. Scary.
Spooky.
Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Add digits. All right.
Oh, okay. Some casting in here.
Given an integer num, repeatedly add all its digits until the result has only one digit and return it. So
Oh.
if the input is num equals 38, output is 2 because the process is 38 is 3 plus 8, which is 11 if you break apart the digits. And 11 is 1 plus 1 equals 2. Since 2 only has one digit, return it. I like
Hmm.
this one. This one's a good one. This one's a good one.
Mm-hmm. Can do a little bit of preparation.
Could you do
Go a
it
little bit.
without any loop slash recursion and O of 1 runtime?
Oh, hello, hello.
Hey,
Okay, okay, okay. I thought I lost you because my mic is acting a little bit weird today. All good though. Ooh, pause.
oh, talking about, remember when we were at Party City
Yeah.
and that cashier, the lady, she like came up and I was like, hey, and do you mind describing what her reaction was?
Dude, she just looked at you and she was like, "Hey."
No,
Did she look
she
so?
said, what?
Oh yes, 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 yes. And she looked at you, she, like with like a face of like, what are you like? I don't know. Like she was expecting something. And she's like, "What?" I remember that.
Anyways,
Oh, that was crazy,
I
bro.
still think about it to this day.
We should go back.
Uh-uh. No. All right,
Uh,
let's see. So we got to break it up. How can we do it at O of 1 runtime? Mhm.
mm,
Without any loops or recursion.
uh,
Or how about we
not
just do it with loops? Let's just,
okay. Okay, let's do that first.
we could say, wow. I'm just spitballing here, by the way. Wow. Length of str num.
Yep, yep.
Well, that's greater than 1. We're gonna say, so
More
wait,
greater than one?
the length of it is greater than 1. Because
Oh, okay.
once you have a single digit, you want to return it.
Gotcha.
Then
Okay.
we say, um, we want to say like we want to count how many digits there is. So like we need to know how much. Like I'm thinking about it in a string approach. Like and then we convert it, we add them, we split it, we add them. Oh, you could split. Okay. Oh no, it's an int. Okay, so we could say, okay, hear me out, hear me out, hear me out. Split and add. So we say number equals str nums dot split. Right. Then we
Mm-hmm.
say for num for x in number, then we want to say num equals no num plus equals int x.
Mm-hmm.
Catching my drift?
Mm-hmm.
Return num. So in theory, what I'm thinking is, it's like, okay, you have the nums, you turn it into a string, you split it, it goes into an array, you loop through the array, and you add each element into nums. Once the length of num is not greater than 1, you return it.
Gotcha. Okay, that makes sense.
Interesting.
Hmm.
Is 1 greater than 1?
No.
Ah, isn't there like
Uh.
no, this doesn't matter, right? That doesn't matter.
Yeah,
Okay.
this exceeds the limit 4,300 digits for integer string conversion. So it's like you're giving it a digit like with 4,000 more than 4,300 digits, and it's trying to convert it into a string, and it exceeds.
No way.
Just way.
All right. Well, ignore that. Ignore that plan.
We can do it by going through each character and turning them like by themselves, like the for loop you have in there.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, all that we could do it even with the dot split. Hmm.
I see what you're
Okay,
saying. Maybe we
watch,
could
watch.
do. Okay.
Oh,
I'm
wait.
listening. I'm listening.
Go back. Instead of greater than one, you can do if the modulo is 0. Num modulo 10 equal 0.
Length num.
No, just num by itself. Yeah, because if it's wait, no, no, if it's zero, it means they can divisibly. Yeah, yeah, it should be ufas 2 divided by 4. That's modulo 0 because you're gonna remainders. Ooh, wait a minute, that won't work. Mm, you can do. Yeah, that modulo won't work because it's just gonna give you the last number. You can check if it's divisible by 10. Num divisible by 10 will equal greater than 1. Maybe. Because you know how we try to get a single value, right? That means that it doesn't have a tens place. You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
So maybe dividing it by 10, saying if that is greater or equal to 1, keep doing it.
You said divide?
Yeah, greater than or equal to 10. Then 1. Maybe, maybe. This is shot in the dark from the hip, like what people would say. Oh.
Okay, let's try this. Let's try this.
Oh. Mm. Oh, wait a minute. You're
I'm
you
waiting.
don't you're not resetting num.
Yeah, plus equals.
That's why. Cause go back to the test case to not the to the description. You see how the result of that 11 becomes the next num of the next iteration. So
Yeah.
you don't. Yeah, but you're
Oh, I'm
adding and adding
adding.
and adding and adding and adding, and the num is
Mm.
just growing larger. Yeah, so
We could say
sum equals 0, maybe.
good eye, good eye.
I think now it's an infinite loop.
Why though?
Let's see. So you split it up the number. Join string, you split it up, you loop through it, you add it, pa 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 pa. Then you got the num, send it in there. Num. You're gonna split it up again. Num equals 1. Num. 38 bigger than 1. 38. Just split it. Oh. Yeah, print the. Yeah. Okay.
I know.
Not sure if it's going to work. Can you do
Okay.
for x in
Yes.
num,
Yes.
in
That
string
was the
num?
next. Yeah, that was the next idea. Let's try that.
There we go. Try with like a big number. Perfect. 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 Did them pretty quick. Okay. Submitting. Okay. Hey, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I wonder how you do it in all of one time though. It's just like, okay, let me see. Not sure how that would look like. You have any ideas?
Um, some sort of bit like
Manipulation? Ooh,
manipulation. Let's see
that
what
is
the topics are. Oh, okay, like number theory. Like there's definitely some sort
pretty.
of trick.
Heck no. Alright, let's use a hint. Maybe. Oh, heck no. It's gonna be like the last year we were reading that article. Huh? Oh. Huh?
Go ahead and exit out of that.
I think we can move on to the next.
Yeah, let's go on to the next one now. We'll ignore that. All right. We're doing good. We're solving all these easy.
We're taking it. Is there a filter to remove the SQL and all those? Um.
Oh, language.
No language.
Oh,
Ufas. Where did the? Oh.
wait. What can I do more? Oh, I can. Okay. Oh, well, I'm so dumb. We could just put Python. Duh. Okay. And what else?
Okay. That'd be all.
Smart filter. Okay. Don't tell me the
Ooh,
filter
Ad
reset.
Finder. I think we've done those.
Don't tell me the filter reset. Okay. All right. Let's see. Mm,
You want to do some Pascal triangle? That one seems fun, but I never understood it. I've heard it's alright. It has to do with recursion. Yeah or nay? Okay, I'll keep that as
I'm
a.
reading.
Oh, okay,
Each
okay, okay,
number is
okay.
the sum of the two numbers directly above it as shown.
I just think it's not complex because it's easy, but just very edge case.
It's obviously
Right.
it's once you find the it's not like dynamic or like actually maybe it is. Yeah, it is. Never mind. Ignore that. Can we not do this one?
Okay, we cannot do this one.
Wait, well, why is
We
it a
can,
76? Okay, now I'm interested. So the top
oh,
two,
we're doing this. Okay. Let's see. Let's see.
we need the top two, but what defines like in an array format? What says it's the top? It's the top two.
Well, you can get the position, right, of your current array and just subtract one and add one. Wait, no, not even. Yeah. Yeah, I think you can do that.
So if it's an edge, it's only gonna have one.
You want to take it to a skeleton draw?
Please.
I think this is gonna be a fun problem. I
Okay.
think so.
Okay.
If we get to bro, we've done 30 problems, bro. We haven't updated our insane
Oh, I'm so
levels.
sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so
Yeah,
sorry.
yeah, I'm good, bro.
All right.
I'm good.
I could go first.
Okay, yeah.
I'm at
Well,
what's
I'm
up?
gonna set up this
Okay.
the skeleton
I'm
draw.
at like a two. Like there's not really not really
Okay,
anything
okay.
crazy.
I would say like a 1.5, 1.5.
1.5. Okay, 1.5. Perfect.
Yep, yep, yep.
Let me you send me the thing?
Yes.
Okay.
Let me know if it works. Dime si funciona.
I believe so.
Yes. The bell. Ahí te veo.
Just. Just.
Bro, this guy, bro.
¿Dónde está?
¿Dónde está la biblioteca?
¿Dónde está tú?
I'm doing circles.
I don't see you.
Zoom out, zoom out.
Oh, I see you, I see you, I see you. All right.
Alright, alright, alright. Do you wanna bring the let me see if I can you copy and paste the picture here?
Yeah,
Maybe?
let's see.
Ooh, nice. Perfect. So how do you wanna do this?
You tell me. I'm following your lead.
Alright. Well, we know for sure this is the base case.
Yep.
One. There's always that one. Like for sure, for sure. Right? Boom. Right here. Because we have a number 5, right? 5. So the first number, which is 1, is the first level is this. Pretty
Mm-hmm.
sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, because there's 5 levels. The first level is gonna be that. And then it's gonna go to the second level. Right? Damn.
I was thinking like we start at the bottom, and since we know we're 5 down, let's say there's like a equation where it's um it's like plus the row minus 1 is the value here. Like, like whatever row you're on. So if you're on 5, then array at 4, 1 is gonna equal array at 4, 1 is gonna equal you know what I mean? Like it's gonna equal 1, 2,
Mhm.
3, 4, 5. What is it? What's the actual number? Okay, it's gonna equal 4 on the actual thing. that make sense? No, maybe that's not the best way. Sorry.
Yeah, I get you. I get you. Like there must be like a formula or something.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I think the only formula is that like you have to add these two. Yo, why am I browning your sketty draw, dude? This is racist. The heck, homie. Okay. Yeah, I feel like you have to add these
You
top
said a
two.
brownie?
No, I look brown.
Oh.
So this is the move. And then
Oh
so
shoot.
every
I thought
level
this was a
has
laser.
I good, I good. So every level, like for example, 1 has 1 element, 2 has 2 elements, level 3 has 3 elements, level 4 has 4 elements, and level 5 was 5 elements. So taking the number, I was thinking we're gonna have a for loop,
Yep.
1, and it's gonna say, okay, let's just take this one for example. Over here, let's do one right here. Bah. Right? Say, hey, your number 1, that's a base case. Create an array with a 1, send it back. Then you got a 2. And say, okay, I got a 2. Um, huh. I got a 2. Mm, damn, bro, I'm not sure. Mhm.
Okay.
Gotcha, gotcha,
So
gotcha.
now let's see. If it's a zero, and if it's a
Okay, so
okay,
that could
okay,
be our
look, you got
base
it.
business.
You got it ready? If the
Uh-huh.
if the row is n, then that means the last element in that list is n plus 1. No, wait, is n. So you know the 0 and n elements and the nth element in that row are going to be 1, right?
Uh-huh.
So the condition is, let's just say you're looping through each, you're going down each one, right? This, you're not going to switch, you're going to keep this value 1 if it's a 0, it's on the 0 index, or if it's on the nth index of that
Yeah,
layer that you're
yeah.
on. If
Uh-huh.
it's not, then the question is what's the formula to get the ones above it?
Well, it's just adding these two.
Yes, but if we're gonna do actual math, like adding the index from above, what's the math? So this is 1, and we know we're gonna add the previous. We're gonna add the row before. We're gonna add its 1, and we're gonna add its 0. So we're gonna add the same number as this one minus, and then also the minus 1. This one we're gonna add the same number and then the minus 1 version. This one we're gonna add the same number minus 1, same number minus 1,
Yeah.
same one minus. So
Yeah.
that's the
I
formula.
see you. I
All
see
right, we
you.
got it. Woo!
Yeah, so it's pretty much like that.
Yes,
Yeah,
exactly.
okay, I got you.
We're gonna
Okay, so now
it's yeah. Keep going.
implementation wise, Yeah, because I like this. That's a good observation. I like that. I like that.
Okay.
So how is this gonna work? Do you want to do it recursively? I think recursively would be best. Because if we can get to this level right here recursively, we can get everything else.
Okay.
Yeah. And I know for sure the base case is this one. So let's say when let's see. When
The base case is, oh, if I'm understanding correctly, the base case is if the index is a 0 or n.
Gotcha. Okay. Yeah, that works. That works.
Yeah, if
Yeah.
it's a 0 n, it's a 1. If it's not, then you do this calculation. Zero or n, I would say.
Gotcha. Okay, that makes sense. Yeah.
Mhm.
Let's clean this up. Yes. Okay, now move fast. I'm just not sure how we're gonna keep track of all that. Like, because I like this.
Mhm.
This makes sense. But implementing them, that seems a little bit
What's the
difficult.
output? Oh,
Yes,
okay,
it's
so we
a
gotta.
nested array. Yeah.
Hmm.
Because we're gonna have an array. Okay. Let's see. Let's think it through. We're gonna have our function right here. Function. Right? And we're gonna
Mhm.
send an empty array.
Yep.
Right? And we're gonna send num
Yep.
or n in this case. Right? And we're gonna say, hey, n, right?
Mhm.
Okay. Oh, let's see. Because n is gonna be
No,
5.
you're gonna create.
We can set
Oh,
a counter
wait. Can you
called
pre-populate the array before? Like,
we can, yeah, we can. We can actually do that. Yeah.
with all zeros or ones or zeros? Probably right. Might be.
Mm, it's because it depends. Because what
Okay.
do you mean? I was thinking we can populate with empty arrays, pretty much. Like if we have 5 levels, we have 5 empty arrays. Because if we do populate with zeros,
We're not.
I'm not sure how that will work.
We don't have to necessarily fill in each empty array with the right amount of elements, but rather just create the n empty arrays in the main array.
Yeah, yeah,
And then we could append to those specific arrays.
yeah. That would probably make it easier. Okay. Let's see then. So let's say we are able to append all 5 arrays. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Nice. So we say, hey, level is gonna be the first one, right? Hey, if level equal to 1 or n. Wait, no, that doesn't make sense.
No, we just keep track of the level. So level would be 0, and that's gonna be the array we're accessing in the big array.
Mm-hmm.
So we just say if, well, just obviously this is just like scratch right here. So if we could say if if level if array at level. So I'm gonna just say if a, come on, man. If a at level, array at level, and remember, there's it's not pre-populated. So, wait, think about it. Think about it. Think about it. If four, okay. Four. No, there's nothing in there. There's nothing.
Yeah, we have to append.
We
We have to
say,
do these checks.
yeah, there.
We have to do these checks where n, which is level, is 0 or n in itself. Wait, does that make sense? No. Yes, technically.
Level or just these, right?
Wait, yeah.
But
Okay, I see.
these,
I see. So we're gonna have a for loop,
okay,
maybe. I don't know. Just throwing it out there. For loop
okay.
for I all the way to level. I'm assuming level is numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm not starting at 0. It's just like we're starting at 1.
We got our
Or
first comment of the night
ooh, what is it? What is it? What is it?
from C Cipher Far. C Cipher.
Hey, welcome to the stream. Welcome to the stream.
C
What data
Cipher
structures are we
says,
looking at? Okay, you go for it, my guy.
oh, no, you go. You already got it.
Okay. What data structure we're looking at? To be honest, not sure. I think we're just looking into some recursion. Yeah, I don't think we're going too deep into maybe
Well,
arrays.
the
Arrays?
output's gonna be arrays, but we don't really know how to. We're figuring it out. We're figuring it out.
We're figuring it out. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, I opened my Spotify. Give a sec. Give a sec. Okay. Okay. So we have level plus 1.
Mm-hmm.
So we're gonna go all the way and say hey, if I equal, we said 0 or n, we're gonna a dot append
One. Good stuff.
1,
Okay.
right?
Okay.
Else fun send array, right? Uh, fast. Wait a minute.
Else a dot append, and it's these.
Okay.
Append the calculation of
Yes.
n minus 1.
Give me a second. Give me a second. Give me a second. Okay, let me see. Else a. But we gotta get the level, which is a previous one. So we're gonna say L V L
Minus 1.
minus 1, right?
Wait. No,
Yes.
we're still appending at this level. So
Give
we
me a
just
sec.
say,
Give me a sec.
okay, my bad, my bad.
Hey, all good,
Let
all
him
good, all good, all
cook.
good.
Let him cook. Let him cook.
So we're appending this. So we're gonna get that value at position. Wait, no. Yes, the previous one. Wait, fast. Okay, wait.
And then
I'm
also,
scrambling. I'm scrambling. I'm
and then also,
scrambling.
there's an edge case that if n is 0, we like if we're at 0, then there's nothing above, so it's just one. Well, I guess technically it would have hit this. So, anyways, it's alright. Ignore that. Ignore that. Oh, my
All
mom's
good, all
calling
good, all
me.
good. All right, yeah.
Give me a
Answer, you
second.
answer, my guy. No worries. Yeah, of course, of course. According to this structure, we have position 0. Okay. A position. I want to get the previous one at position of n plus level 1 at position n minus 1. This should, logically speaking, that should it works. Hey, all good. Hey, God, all good. I had to change my name, Lou. Just Ceci now. Hey, all good. No worries. No worries. How you doing, Ceci? How's your day going? How's everything going? Let us know. Okay. So fun comes in level 1. Very level 1. Oof. So level 1, say hey. Pen. Right, we go again. Okay, so here it's a little bit complicated. Well, no. I see. I see a little mistake in here. We have in here. We should be appending to level, or we can just append.
I'm back.
Okay. So I think this solution is using loops, not recursion.
Yes.
Yeah.
I think we both knew that. We
Okay.
both knew that. But I
Yeah, I
was
barely
like,
realized that. I barely realized.
but yeah, anyways, that's good. That's good.
I got.
Which
Just
might be a
here.
concern.
I mean,
But also
I'm okay.
I didn't care. Like I was like, I'm totally
Yeah.
down for for loop, but I don't know if they're gonna allow it.
Yeah, no, I just went with the vibe, and I barely realized we need, it's not recursion at all.
Hmm.
So, uh, but I mean, we could try it and see if it works. You know what I'm
Okay,
saying?
okay. So where are we at? What are we thinking?
Okay, here in this one right here, we have to get the level that we're in right now. That we're in right now. So level 0,
Mm-hmm.
right? Append. No.
At
Wait.
A level, right here.
Yes,
A
yes,
level
yes, yes.
dot a pin 0 or pin 1.
Uh-huh. All right, let's run it through.
Okay,
So
okay.
we send 5 in there. So we go. So 5 comes in here. Da 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 da. 5 here. Value here 0, 5. We populate this.
Yes.
So 0 comes up. 1, equals this level, blah 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 blah. Gotcha.
Level is 0. Plus 1. Okay,
Level.
perfect. Yep. So this is
Okay,
1. For I and 1. So we're at 0.
give me a sec. So for this, we will have to plus 1 there. Yeah. Okay. Yes. Because this is
Explain
0.
this. Explain that right there.
Wait. Give me a second. Why is this? Oh, because we're going based on positions. Okay, never mind. That's my bad. That's my bad. That's my bad. There. Okay. Yes, that's my bad. Bam, bro. Today's not my day. Ufas.
Hey, whoa.
Ufas,
We're
bro.
both learning, man.
We're both learning. We're both learning.
There's
All
no
right.
issue with it. There's no issue with failing.
You right. You right.
Because
You right.
whenever
You
you
right.
fail, you know where you need to improve. You know what you need to do
Exactly, bro.
differently.
You right. You right. You right.
Yes. All right, let's go. So if
All right.
I
Let's lock
equals
in.
0, so this is the position. Now we're looking at this
Yes, in here.
position,
Yeah,
this
yeah,
one, this one, this one.
yeah,
Okay, yep.
exactly. So we do this, Blanca,
And
zero, which is zero, dot append
If y
1.
equals
So we
0,
got
1,
the one
yes.
already.
Perfect.
All right, let's
Mm-hmm.
create this right here. We have this.
Baka.
Let's assume we have another one already there, ready for us.
Okay.
So we go here. Go.
Level gets increased.
Okay, so here's the.
Level gets increased once this for loop is done. Once this for
Okay,
loop
so
is
all of
done.
this has to go through a for loop. No?
What are you talking about?
Like all of this? All of
Well, you
this
could
has to go.
well we could just run the function again. Like we
Well,
could
that
have
is
a
true. That
for
is true.
loop that's running the function.
Yeah. You right, you right.
Something like that, I would say.
Okay. Oh,
Whoa. PP.
whoa. Hey, yo,
You put that, not me.
bro. Damn, dude. What do you mean by that, bro?
I don't know. You said it, not me.
I said it, bro.
No, you put it.
You
You
said
wrote it
it.
down. That
Well, you
wasn't
said
me.
it.
That
You
wasn't me. You
said
wrote it
it
down.
could be Peter Piper.
Oh, I like Peter Pan.
Peter Pan.
I don't like
You
Peter
know,
Pan,
but
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 you look like Peter
you
Pan.
I bro, come on, bro. Peter Pan is white.
Let me
Is
see.
he?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I do look like him. Okay, I do look like him. Okay. Damn.
Okay, maybe not so these.
Yeah, not that, but the movie one, yeah.
That's a movie? I don't know.
I think so.
Damn,
I think
Jose, you did
so.
look like Peter Pan.
Woo, bro. They should have cast
Star him in a
me.
movie. You need to be in a movie. Okay. Sorry.
Okay. I'm good.
So, okay.
So, all right, let's assume this is a for loop. Yes. Okay.
Yep.
Perfect. So again, this is level 1 now.
Now it's
This
level
is
1.
5. One,
Mm-hmm.
five.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
1, 5. 1, 5. So you do okay. We start at 0, put in a 1.
Okay,
So
right here.
go here, a 1.
Mm-hmm.
Blanca.
Blaka.
Black. Okay, so this n should actually be. Are we using n for anything?
Yeah,
Huh.
that's what we're using it for.
This doesn't make sense though, because n is gonna be 5. This should be level.
Yes. Good eye.
This should be level. And here on the bottom ones should be I.
Baka.
Black. Okay.
Okay.
So we put the 1. Now it's now this thing is a 1 now. I is 1. We skip this, and then we say, okay, level, which in this case is 2. We gotta keep track of that. Level
Level
is
is
1.
1.
1. Right? Oh, that looks a horrible one. Okay. Damn, bro. What's wrong? There. Okay.
Delete that. Okay.
Okay. Level is 1. So this is 0.
0, A0. So now we're here.
So we're
We're
0.
here.
Yeah,
We're
we're
here.
0. I, which is
1.
1.
No.
So let's skip. Yeah, it's 1.
Okay.
Yeah, let's skip that. Let's track that if it's possible. It's 1.
You see what's happening? You see there's a little problem here, right?
We gotta check if it's out of bounds.
Wait. We're on level 1. How do we go here? It should have just been this. Because if it's
Oh,
0 or level.
okay. Yeah. Oh my God, bro. What's wrong with me? Yes, you're
Wait.
correct.
So this is 0
Yes.
level plus 1.
Yeah, this should be.
Just level if you got greater than equal, right?
No, this is not great.
Or
It's just all the way until level. Yeah. It works. It works.
okay.
It works. It
Okay.
works. It works. So I0 level is 1.
Mm-hmm.
So we put a 1. We
Baka
put a 1. Placa, and then I equals 1 and level
is 1.
and it's 1. Perfect.
So Baka.
Placa. I'm gonna start over here. So we start again. Now 2. So now here
Baka.
I is 0. So we put
Mm-hmm.
1. I is 2. I is 1.
Mm-hmm.
So it skips this part
Mm-hmm.
and it goes over here. Level is
Okay.
2. We subtract 1,
1.
which is this.
Okay. We're here.
I, which
Is
is
1.
1. So we get
Yes.
1 here. So this is 1 here,
Okay.
right?
This
This
is
is
1.
1
This is
here.
1.
This is 1.
Go
And then
again.
here we go
I
against
minus
1,
1,
which
which
is that
is
one.
1.
So and we add them, so
Add
that's
them
2.
and 2.
Okay. So
Okay.
now I is 2. I is 2, right?
Yes.
I'm gonna change this
Which
color
is
that way we can
level,
yeah, yes, which is level. So now
which
this
means
is
you put
1.
1. Close it.
Yeah, and we open it up again, right?
This is 3.
I'll be happy if we solve it like
Like
this, and then we
this.
can start
Yes. This will
thinking
be,
thinking
yeah.
about it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so now this is 3, level 3. Also, how's the chat going? Okay. No, all good. So this is 3. I is 0, right? 0. We put a 1 in here,
Mm-hmm.
and then I is
Blaka.
1. We
Mm-hmm.
skip these 2.
Blaka.
Level is 3. Minus 1. That's 2. So
2.
we're right here.
2.
2.
We're at 1.
I I is
We're at 1.
1. I is 1.
2.
So that's
1.
1.
2.
10. Okay. Yeah.
So
That's
we're at
2.
2.
It's 2.
2. So this 2.
Yeah, this is 2. And then this one,
This
we
one.
go to the level, which is
Yep.
3 minus 1. That's 2.
2.
I
I
minus
minus
1,
1,
which
which
is
is 1,
0, which is
0.
that one. We
So
add these
1
and we append
plus.
3.
Mm.
Okay, that's
Mm-hmm.
working. That's
Mm-hmm.
working. That's
Mm-hmm.
working. That's working. All right,
Yep.
let's
Yep.
delete
Yep.
these. This.
Wait. No.
Wait,
No.
no.
You still had this one. You still
Yeah,
had this one.
yeah. I forgot. So now it's 2.
Mm-hmm.
2 is not 0. 2 is not
No, it's
level.
not.
So
No,
we
it's
skip
not.
these. So level minus 1, which is 3, which
2.
is 2. So we're
2.
still here in this
You
array.
got an I.
I, which equals
2.
2,
2.
which
So they
equals
got this
1.
one.
And
Then
then
this one
I minus
minus
1,
1.
which equals 2,
Got 2. 3.
which equals 3.
Blaka.
Is that right?
Let's check. Blaka. Blaka.
Hey,
Okay.
okay. So now we got 3. 3 is not 0, but 3 is level, which equals
1.
Okay.
Blaka.
Placa.
All right.
Okay.
Now we're on the next level.
Yeah. Let me erase all of this. So we got 4. Level 4, position 0.
Okay.
0. Okay.
Yep. 1.
Let me erase this. Let me make it a little bit clean.
Do it. No, you gotta do the. What happened today, Jose?
Solo.
Yo, good morning, brother. Good morning, Solo.
Yo, good boy. Bro, that was a perfect word too. Like that was a perfect word too. Like you could have said alone, single, individual by himself. No, like solo was the perfect word, bro. Like you gave context, gave everything with a single word. You said a lot with a
Oh
single word,
man,
bro.
that
That
was
is that
hilarious.
was the perfect,
Dude, I was half
bro.
asleep and I was like, bro, why is Jose texting me right now, man? Every single day you text me at damn 8:10 in the morning. And I'm like, yeah, good morning. He's like, good morning. Wakey, wakey. So this time I just had enough. I just had to shorthand it. I wasn't going to do no explanations. At first, I wasn't. So I was like, solo. I'm going solo, man. Solo. Plain and simple. No explanation. I put my head back on the pillow and I thought to myself, that's a little rude. So let me go ahead and get up and
Oh
explain
man, bro.
again. Jeez Louise, man.
But the bad, dude, the worst thing is that I understood what you mean with solo. Like when you said solo, I was like, all right, bet. Like I'm going by myself.
That was
Ufas,
so funny.
bro. Ufas.
Good times, good times.
Okay,
All right,
okay, okay,
luck it,
okay.
luck
Let's
back
get
in.
back
We're
to
lucking
this.
back in.
So zero, right? Hits the first case. Blanca.
Yep, yep. Yep,
Now
yep.
this is
One,
one. We skip that level, which is four. Minus
four,
one, three.
three
Zero,
minus three,
one, two,
up,
three.
one, three,
So
one.
we're here.
Right here, right
I,
here, right here.
which is one,
Mm-hmm.
which is three.
Blackout.
Plus
Mm-hmm.
minus one, which is one. So we get four. Bam.
Boom. Okay.
Boom, boom. Boom, boom. Shakalaka. And then we go two. Two skips this. Level one, which is that one. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
yeah, yeah. I, which is three. Plus I minus one, which is three.
Blackout. 6.
Six. Perfect. 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 Remove this. We go with three.
Mm-hmm.
We skip this. Level I, which is three, which is 0, 1, 2. Yeah, it's a one. Plus I minus one, which is three, which equals four. Like this, 4,
Blackout.
4. This is a
1.
one.
Double
I think
check.
this thing works.
Blackout. All
Hey.
right.
Okay. You want to implement this?
Yeah, let's go ahead.
Okay, okay. I'll let you lead the way, my guy.
Oh, all right. Well, in that case, let me sit up. So, we said we want a function called, let's just call it calculate. Let's call it calculate.
I'll be back. I'm gonna go get some water.
Okay, calculate. And this function, we're going to have I guess we're going to have an array, but we're going to pre-fill the array. So we could say array equals empty. And we're going to say for while, for, guess it doesn't matter. Well, no. Yeah, for in range num rows. We're going to say arr dot append, and we're going to do that for num rows. And we're going to do -1 though. So now, if we're still following the same path, we're gonna put array in there. We're gonna put n. Let's go ahead and move this. We're gonna put n, which is num rows, and then we're gonna put the level, which is gonna start at 0. Or we could just set a variable called level equals 0 and just pass level. Now that we got that, in this function, we're gonna have a base case. Base case is gonna be these little people right here. But we're gonna loop. We're gonna make sure we create a loop. So for I in range level plus no, just level. I think if it's
Yes.
0,
Yes.
this
Zero,
might
one,
be a
two,
little.
three, four.
But
No,
what if
yes,
it's
it's all the way to level.
huh?
You're right. You're right. It's like that.
Then array at level. I guess that's just another base
I don't
case.
think we're gonna get check the constraints.
Wait, will this run if it's 0 for I in range 0? That's what I'm saying. Like, I don't think this will
Yeah,
run.
but like on like I think in the problem itself, the constraint says it's gonna be there's gonna be at least one level.
Yeah, but we're starting level at 0 to make sure we are on the right array.
I see what you mean.
I mean, we could definitely just say like level plus 1, and then we just always subtract 1 whenever we're searching for stuff. But like,
Or
maybe
yeah,
maybe this is
you can
fine.
just say like put level 1. That way we can know. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, and also on line 5 in the for loop, I don't think you need the -1.
Yes, you do,
Why?
because it starts at 0.
So yeah, it's going to go 0, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, but if we had it at 5, it'll do 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
No,
No,
range stops at -1.
you're a genius. Okay, so this is 1.
Mhm.
But this is okay. All right, let's keep going. So
Why?
if I equals 0 or I equals level, we're gonna say ARR at level -1 dot append 1. Else
Yes, you're gonna. Yeah,
now we're doing -1 because we gotta
yeah.
yeah, right.
And I think even on the I equal on line 11, it has to be level equals -1.
Good catch. And then else I
A
at
dot append.
level -1 equals array. Wait,
Whoa.
wait.
Whoa,
Yes,
whoa, whoa.
wait.
No,
Yes,
no,
yes.
no.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Mm-hmm. So this is -2.
No, because you're replacing the array on ARR with the value of the addition. So you first have to access the array. In this case, it's going to be level -1 dot append. Yeah. Then it's going to be a -2. Then you're gonna do square brackets.
Okay, hold on. Let's take a step back.
Well, okay. What you doing? What you doing?
Take a step back real quick.
Uh-huh.
So I have a question. If we're putting in 1, right? In order to access the correct array, so imagine the array looks like this, right? I mean, just for the people to watch. So we have this, and then we have this, we have that, that, that. We have 5, right? Right.
Mm-hmm.
We're at level 1. In order
Yeah.
to append to this one, we got to
-1.
say -1.
Yeah.
Okay. So then now, whenever we're right here, which you can see on the diagram, that we are going to have a case in which it will be in the middle. It won't be 0 or level -1, right? So in that case, if this is level 3, we're going to modify level minus 1 in the if we're actually accessing the array, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then in order to access the higher up, it's level minus 2. Okay, so this is good. Okay, perfect.
Yeah. Yep.
Perfect,
Yep. Yep.
perfect.
Yep. Yep.
Elizabeth Lopez said, "Hi, Carlos Jose. Hi, mom. How you
Hey.
doing? How's
Hey.
everything?
How you doing, ma'am? How you doing?
I'm
Hey,
glad.
thank
I'm
you for
glad
tuning
you.
in
I'm
to the
glad you
stream.
came. I'm glad you're here. Just giving hearts.
Hey,
Okay.
thank you. Thank you.
So okay. So now we append. Yes. Okay. We append at I plus level minus 2 at I minus 1. Double check. Does that look good to you?
Yeah, looks good. Looks good.
Okay. Right. Level 2 I plus. Yes. We're good.
Uh-huh, uh-huh,
We're
uh-huh,
fine.
uh-huh.
We got VR. Yo. VPool. VPool. What's up, VPool? How you
Hey,
doing?
Bipu, welcome. I remember you.
I
I remember
remember
you.
VPool. I remember VPool.
Yeah.
Okay, and then that's basically the function. Now we just gotta call it.
Ali, welcome to
Allie.
the
Oh, we got
stream.
Allie too. What's up, Allie? How you doing? How
Welcome to
you
the
doing? How you doing?
stream. Hey, everybody's joining. I like it. I like it.
Okay, now for or while. No. While. No. Okay, now what, Jose? You help me out here.
You can do a for loop.
For
For
K
I
for I in
in
range
range of N. Yeah.
num rows.
Uh.
My mom said I
Ye.
can't keep up. You guys are too advanced. I'm so sorry, mom. I'm so sorry. Next stream we'll make sure to do some
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 easier, probably.
ones that we can help you understand for sure. We could get that. We could get that set up. Jose, write
I'm
that
down
down.
for that. I'm down for that. I'm down for that. I'm
Write it
down.
down,
Actually, I'm
Jose.
gonna write
Yeah,
that
let's
one. I'm gonna write it down. I
get that
got you.
down.
Got
So
you.
Mama Lopez says less advanced. Less advanced. Yep. Next stream won't be as advanced.
I got you,
Got
bro. I'm
it? We
gonna
got
put it
it
right
down?
here.
All right,
Yeah,
let's
yeah,
mark
we
it
got it
down.
down. We got it down.
Let's make sure we remember that. And you know what? I'm gonna put it on my calendar. I put it on my calendar, Mom. Don't worry, we won't forget. Oh, Mom, with some tips and tricks.
Tips and tricks.
1 plus 1 equals. That's important. That's a
Mm.
key. That's a foundational equation right there. All right, Jose, help me out here,
All
man.
right, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. So, what we're trying to do here is we're gonna change the level, right? Because that calculate is just doing one level, right?
Mm-hmm. So we want to do it
Uh,
n times or n minus 1 times.
yeah,
N
just do for
times.
I in range and then calculate array, array num rows and send I. Well, not even. You don't need to send I. You just have to do level plus one
Y plus 1.
because you're. Oh no. Ufas is it? Uh, yeah, because level you're advancing a level each time. So you're going to level one, you're calculating everything. Then you're going to level two, then you're going to level three because
So then that's
calculate.
this.
Yeah, 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 yeah. No, wait, no, because now you're overriding a level. Because you see on line number 3, you created that variable called level.
Mm-hmm.
So you want to update that. So it could be 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can do level plus equal 1. Yeah, you can do that. Yeah.
We're sure.
Then let me see. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5. Yeah, I think it works. I think it works.
We need some more likes in the stream, by the way. We got so much chatter and we only got one like. I just wanted to point that
And
out.
that's me.
And that's Jose. So we'll greatly appreciate if, we get just like the video, like it. Do it now.
Give a like, give a like.
Right now. I'm just joking. Do it if you want to. You don't have to.
Only if you like the live
Oh,
stream.
Mom, it's free, by the way. If you like, it's free. So nothing's coming out of your bank account. It's free, Mom. So just FYI. Okay, so run it or
Yeah, we can run it. See how far we can go. Ooh, fast, bro.
oh, that's impressive
Oh,
though. Ah, you see what the problem is.
yeah, when
Wait,
it's
what's the
1.
problem? Wait, why did? Oh, my bad. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. My bad. My bad. My bad. Nice.
Hey, let's go.
Good stuff, Jose.
Put a 6. Put a 6.
Okay.
It's gonna take longer this time.
Let's go.
Hey!
All right, let's look at the
Yeah,
max. What's the max? 30.
bro, that is gonna take a lifetime, dude.
Ooh, let's try it. Come on, please.
This is gonna take a.
Let's
Oh,
go.
okay.
Right? That worked?
Damn,
Dubs.
it did
People
work.
said dubs.
Yes, sir. Okay. I think we could. I'm scared of submitting it though.
I'm not.
Okay. Hey, let's go.
Let's
A
go.
runtime 100%.
Nah, I think it's just glitched. Just glitched.
But we did lose a lot of memory though. That's the thing.
Yeah.
Hey, let's go,
17
bro.
megabytes.
Let's go.
Good stuff. Good stuff, Jose.
Let's
Good stuff,
go,
good stuff.
baby. Let's go. Okay. Okay.
We solved 4 problems, right? We solved 4 problems this stream.
We were solving problems. Yes.
Let's see. Let's look. Let's. Oh, I didn't mean to do that.
Oh,
Let's
whoa,
go
whoa, whoa,
here.
whoa.
1, 2, 3, 4. Okay.
Okay,
Not
okay,
bad.
okay,
I mean, of
okay.
course, these are
Yeah.
like really easy.
Yeah. But still,
Not bad.
we solved 4 problems.
We're almost at under 1 million.
Hey, let's get to 1 million, buddy. We gotta get to 1 million.
We're
Hopefully
almost
by
there.
a couple streams.
We solved 80 problems, 36 medium, 3 hard.
Bro, that's crazy, dude. We have over 100 solved problems.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Damn.
Look at that.
That is beautiful.
All right. Well, with that
Okay.
being said, what do you think, Jose? I'm getting food. Honestly,
Oh, that's so true.
I got
That's
so
so true.
into the problem that I wasn't hungry anymore. Just FYI.
Okay.
But I think we did enough problems today.
Yeah, okay. I'm down
That
for
was
that.
a
I'm
good
down for
one to
that.
end it off. Of course,
It was
maybe
a
we could
good
follow it
one.
up next time. Find a recursion
Yeah.
option. So,
Damn, bro. That's crazy. I'm happy
yeah.
for that.
I'm glad we got that.
Yes, sir.
Let's see, what was I gonna say? Oh yeah, so let's just update the level. Let's update our levels real quick.
Yeah,
And then,
yeah.
yeah. What do you think you're at?
I'm like at a 3. I'm happy. I'm
Okay.
excited, but I think it's gonna take me a little bit more
I'll say
time.
3.5. Yeah, same here,
Okay,
same here. These problems today, they weren't that. I'm glad. I'm glad they weren't
Yeah,
that.
they're pretty chill, pretty
They're very
straightforward.
chill. This one looked intimidating, but you just gotta break it up. You gotta break it apart and figure it out. My rank is
Damn, look at what.
82,000. All right, send me
That's
your
crazy.
username. I'm searching it
That's
up.
crazy.
I'm
That's
searching it up.
crazy.
Send me your username right now.
Let's see that. Send user. Send user. You gotta verify that.
Let's double check that. Verify.
Grind, guys. Come on, brother.
I don't know, dude. You lying to us.
You have 0 unsolved. Oh, there he goes.
Wait, you can't do a space, right? Oh, okay.
Okay, there you go.
Speak to me.
069.
Damn, don't. Damn. Just for fun.
Ah!
Just for fun. Let me say that again.
Ah!
Just for fun.
Bro, look at that, bro. Look at from June.
Where?
Look at that, bro. Look at all that green.
I see it, man.
Wait, scroll. How many problems did he solve per day?
But hey, you're slacking over here, though.
Hey, you was like in
Nah, I'm just
2023.
kidding. This is crazy. Good
Bro,
stuff.
like hover over one of those squares.
Where? Oh, okay.
Like 28 submissions, bro. 23 submit. 9 submissions. Yo, this
That's
guy's crazy,
crazy.
man. We have a legend in here.
A legend.
82,
From
bro.
Indiana Institute of Technology. Wow.
Oh, damn.
Now move to CP. Do you mind reminding me what CP means?
Party City?
CP. Now move to CP. Is that a
And
type
he's good
of?
in C++, bro.
Oh, I did not see that. Let's see. Is this one in C++? Ow. Okay, looks yeah. Oh, CP. Okay. C plus. Oh, wait, no, C plus is not a language, right? It's C plus plus, right? Oh,
Yeah.
competitive programming.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh.
Dang. I want to look you up. Where are you at? Let me see. You probably have. Let me see. I'm looking you up. Vpool.
On LinkedIn?
Yeah,
Ah,
I'm fine. Okay, wait.
let me see. Let me.
Let's see. I'm looking. I'm gonna find you. Um. Okay, I don't know which one.
Hmm. Damn, bro, but that's crazy though.
Yeah, big
That is
stuff.
crazy.
That's cool. That's really cool. I'm interested to see you doing some competitive programming. Like I want to see how that looks like. Like I'm just curious.
Nah,
But
dude.
good stuff. I'm gonna
Yes, sir.
bookmark that. People. There you go. Bookmark. I'm gonna keep looking to see, make sure you're doing your stuff. But all right,
All
Jose.
right.
You think
Okay.
think we're good for today?
Yeah, I'm good for today.
All right.
All righty. So,
Yeah, wait, actually no, Vpool.
uh,
Before you go, Vpool, share us your LinkedIn. You have a LinkedIn, please. Like I actually wanna,
yeah, it'd be
add
cool.
you. I just actually wanna add you. I just added a new profile picture.
Oof, making me feel some type of way, not lie.
Whoa, what do you mean by that?
Hey, yo, hey, making me feel happy.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Thought you meant something
What were you
else.
thinking about?
I don't know. Thought you meant something else.
Muy mal.
I don't know with you. You start going to church.
What do you mean?
I don't know about you, dude. I'm gonna tell.
Ah.
I'm gonna tell your
Oh, you don't have a LinkedIn? No.
bummer. Shucks, man. All right, that's okay.
All good, brother. All good. Oh, he doesn't use social media. Hey,
Bye,
thank you, Miss
mom.
Lopez. Have a
Sleep
great
well.
weekend as well. Okay, he doesn't. Hey, that's respectful. He doesn't
Okay,
use
don't worry
social
about
media.
it. Yeah,
I
don't worry
respect
about it.
that.
Don't
I
worry about it.
respect that. Respect that. Yeah. All right, brother. You ready?
Yeah,
'Cause I
let's
know you're
call it.
hungry.
I'm hungry.
Yeah. All right. Thank you guys for tuning in. We appreciate it, everything you guys have done. Thank you, VFool, for coming in, sharing your lead code and all that stuff. Thank you for tuning by, and giving us your knowledge and all that stuff. Thank you, Miss Lopez, Carlos' mom. Thank you for tuning in. Tomorrow, I really appreciate it a lot. We got Ali too. Thank you for tuning in. And we got Cece. But I think she left, I think. I'm not sure. I don't know if she's still in the chat, but hey, thank you a lot. We have 6 viewers, maybe let's get to 3, 4 likes, nothing too bad, just click it. It's pretty straightforward. You get a little cool animation with some rainbows and stuff, so it's nice to see. Anything else to say, Carlos?
No, I appreciate the people chatting. I like the chatter, I like to chat a lot.
Yeah,
Good
yeah.
stream today. If you just came towards the end, I recommend y'all rewind and go look at the Pascal triangle problem. It was a little interesting on how we got to that conclusion. Although it wasn't the best solution, it's still a new problem for us that we didn't really know how to solve. So it was a cool. We broke it down pretty nice and stuff like that. So if you want to look at
Yep, yep,
that.
yep.
Also, the first 3 problems we solved pretty fast. If you want to just quickly look over those two, and then that's about it.
Yeah. So with that said, thank you guys for tuning in. Have a great day, great morning, great afternoon, whatever time so it is. Just have a great day, and thank you guys. See you guys next time. Bye bye.
Bye.